guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you guys stuffed chicken breast with spinach, so please stick around and watch this video. First I'm gonna start by butterflying the chicken breast. I already butterflied these two already, see, and now I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So you're simply gonna cut down into the chicken breast like this, not too deep. You're just making like a pocket to stuff the chicken breast in. See? Just making like a pocket. And this is where you're gonna stuff the chicken. This is where you're gonna stuff the spinach. See? So you just want to cut them like that. You want to ensure you wash your chicken breast. And now we're gonna season the chicken breast. I'm gonna add black pepper or ground pepper. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon. I'm gonna season the outside and the inside of the chicken with ground pepper. I'm just gonna rub this in. Some Italian seasoning, and again this is about a tablespoon on each chicken. We're using some Italian seasoning, and now we're gonna add some BADIA complete seasoning, and this is about a tablespoon also. I'm gonna season on top of the chicken and inside of the chicken and also under the chicken. You just want to completely season the chicken. Okay? Now because it is healthy doesn't mean it cannot taste good. You know? It can still be healthy and taste good. So we're just gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes, just to add some heat. Putting that on the inside of the chicken. We're just gonna use about a tablespoon of chicken seasoning to enhance the chicken flavor. Just a little bit, not too much on each. Okay, this looks so pretty already. Oh my god. Okay. So a tablespoon of each season that we use. And if you don't got the chicken season, you can use poultry season or use whatever season you guys comfortable using. See, nice. So we season this chicken. And we're just gonna add some paprika on top to give it a nice color. You can use smoked paprika, but I'm just using regular paprika. And you're just gonna rub this on top like this. Just rubbing in our seasoning. Nice. See, look how beautiful. And now we're just gonna put this aside and make the filling, the spinach filling. Now I'm just gonna make the cream cheese filling. I have about 2 handfuls of spinach. You know they whelp when they, or you can use frozen spinach. So I'm just gonna use half of this cream cheese, and I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese. This is 8 ounce, so I'm just gonna use 4 ounce. And you want room temperature cream cheese because it's easy to work with. Use onion powder if you like. And now I'm just going to combine everything together. And I'm also gonna add some Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna add a handful of Parmesan cheese. About this amount. You can use as much as you like. You have some people just love to eat cheese, love cheese in their stuff. Love cheese. Okay. So we're mixing this out. And you can also go ahead and give it a taste to see what else you could add to it. I'm just gonna taste mine. Tastes good to me. If you want to taste yours and see what else you could add, that's totally fine. Okay, so this is it. Nice. And if you're doing more chicken breast, you can add some more spinach and some more. You can use all of the cream cheese, but I'm just doing 3. So this is why I'm using this amount. There you have it. I'm gonna stuff the chicken breast right now. So we're gonna add a reasonable amount because you don't want it to leak through or peek through or come out while cooking. So you're just gonna add a reasonable amount. You're not gonna overdo this. No overdoing. So we're just filling these up. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And we're just gonna complete the last one. Nice. So we're just adding these. See? And now we're gonna preheat our skillet because we're gonna give them some color on the skillet and then put them into the oven. So we're gonna preheat our oven on 350 degrees. Just added some cooking spray and I'm just gonna turn the heat on. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm just gonna leave it to melt. And then we add our chicken. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. You're gonna cook this about 4 minutes on each side. So 4 minutes on this side and 4 minutes on the other side. I'm going to take these 2 out and add the last one. Beautiful. And I'm just going to add this. I'm going to add these back and I'm just going to put them into the oven. I'm gonna put them into the oven for 5 minutes and then that's it. And there you have it, guys, my stuffed chicken breast with spinach. I'm just gonna take these up nicely and plate them. And now I'm just gonna cut into it. If you already reached this far into the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Oh my goodness, look at that, juicy. Look at that, look at this. Oh my goodness, so creamy. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look. And I have here some mashed potatoes, and this go well with asparagus. Oh my goodness, guys, thanks for watching. And also don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and share this video. This chicken is so juicy. Everything just come together perfectly. I know you will like it too, so please try out this recipe. Bye guys, see you in my next video.